to get enough things we want.
Oh man, who we got here? I rolled my eyes before I could stop myself. Because I was running late this morning, I'd thrown on a pair of jeans.
Okay, I made it to where I'm gonna park, which is just gonna be this hotel parking lot. Now I'm just going to, I don't know, I guess, get everything together and lay down. I already got my bed and stuff made, so I packed all this stuff up here, over here. So my front seat's like all packed up to the brim. So yeah, let's get it. Okay, y'all. I got everything squared away. Now I'm just about to watch some TV until I go to bed. Because I am tired anyway. It's 8:30 now. So yeah, I'm about to put on my night clothes and go to bed. Good morning, y'all. If y'all see any crust, excuse me. But it's a little chilly. And I was cold last night. I did sleep good. I can't cap. I did sleep good. But I was a little cold last night. And for some reason, like, my light won't turn on. I had this shit on for a little bit, and then all of a sudden it went off. So I'm like, what the fuck? What's going on? Like, what the fuck is going on? I hope my battery did not die. And all these motherfucking white folks done stormed the Capitol building. What? Now everybody's saying they should have got shot. They should have got shot. Like, I'm not saying that they should have got shot. All I'm saying is, how the fuck y'all stormed the building and they just let y'all? I don't know. I'm gonna start paying attention to that shit. I mean, it's probably very symbolic, you know. But I'm gonna stop paying attention to this shit because the shit will literally piss you off because of how much blood was shed when we did it. I don't know, fuck it. Let's get my life together. I know one thing, it is cold as a motherfucker. I don't got on no clothes. But I'm about to go for a run. Feels good outside. Well, no, it's cold, but the sun feels good. And I feel good. So let's get it. Like, these are the things in life that I just can't wait. Tomorrow's my son's birthday. And, you know, I'm not going to be there with him. But, like, I'll be there in spirit. I was supposed to buy him some cupcakes. I did not look for them damn cupcakes. Because I'm like, fuck it. I mean, it's your birthday, you know. Enjoy your birthday. But, I mean, it's bigger shit, right? Like, just us being together every day is your fucking birthday. I don't mean it like I don't care about his birthday. Because I definitely do. That day I went through fucking hell trying to give this nigga life, okay? Definitely one of the most important days of my life. But I'm just so ready to be like, every day is your fucking birthday. I'm ready to not just say it, to live it. And I feel like this is the beginning. We're just living it, because just being out here, there's water, being up early in the morning, having good skin, clear skin, seeing that sunlight just bounce off my face and just seeing so much life and like it glows. I appreciate that. And I just can't wait for my son to be here to enjoy it too. To wake up on the beach, like, come on. I've always envisioned me like raising him by the beach, but not like this. And I'm ready. I'm excited. So I am happy that it's your birthday. And when you see this when you get older, happy birthday, stinker butt. Happy fucking birthday, stinker butt. But this is bigger than your birthday, baby. Happy life. Happy life. Not no happy birthday. Fuck birthdays. Happy birth life, nigga. We about to be living. Mommy got you through whatever stinky stink. This is our life now. To see you grow up and love yourself. To see you grow up and, you know, not let anything weigh you down. Not let other people's comments, penetrate your circle, penetrate your aura, to be able to, not live like everybody else. So you cannot live like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna put things in like the better category, but live better than everybody else. People ain't living. Motherfuckers storming the Capitol building and shit because they just want motherfuckers to, I don't know. Hey, people just worried about the wrong shit. But we here, so fuck it. I watch my grandma be so happy. She was like, I was wondering who that was. Oh, Lord. Watch, she gonna be so happy. Some comfortable feet for your head. Is she home? Hopefully she is. Because I'll tell you, I'll be pissed if she isn't. That lady be on the go. She not home. She wasn't here, but I think this is her pulling up right here. Yep, this is her. Hey, Carolina. Hey. Hey, big boy.
No, tell Mama, hey. I'm about to go.
Look at you. You getting big, bro. Okay, we're doing like a surprise thing for my son's birthday. I probably spent about I spent 70 on the Cinnabons, 100 at Target, and then maybe like 60 something at Party City. So we're about to do this little surprise get together. That's not bad for a birthday though, boom, bam, bam. Where you going to answer?
Huh?
Where you going to answer?
No, Rico didn't answer.
Hey, Grandma. Hey, Mr. Marvin. Why are you walking?
Put him down, Courtney. Let him walk. It's a surprise. Bring him. It's a surprise. Oh, Lord. Ready? You got his whole...
Surprise!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Noah. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you? What's that?
Yay!
What's that?
Woo!
Happy
birthday! Are you surprised?
Mhm.
Look. Look, Noah. Here.
Your Spider-Man mask.
Spider-Man. Look at that.
Woo!
Woo! Look at Spider-Man, y'all. You love us?
Aw, we love you
so
too.
Happy birthday, Noah. Pop say happy birthday.
Look what we got you.
Noah, look at the camera. You don't like your candle? No.
Oh yeah, we didn't like the candle.
It do tell you what it is. I know you didn't like the candle. She didn't like the candle. She fired, y'all. She fired.
Mom, you forgot to tell me.
Noah.
He had Cinnabon.
He talking about. I told Shakina what you said. What she talking about? Somebody gonna help blow it? I said, no, we don't need no COVID blowing it out. I know. Noah.
Brittany.
Woo.
Make a wish.
Make a wish.
Rick
Wait.
Ross saying hi to you.
Go ahead, make a wish.
What?
Who's what, breathing?
Woo! 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 Big boy.
You blew all of them out.
Good job.
Yeah, toys up.
Baby, you missed the happy birthday.
You have to but I don't know.
Should I close these blinds? Reduce the lights? You're sleeping like an angel. Just make sure I do this right. I will be to you your solitude when the